Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the latest tech and accessories so you know what's worth your money. Today, we're taking a close look at the TOYOUTHS Beaded Bracelet. Designed to be compatible with Apple Watch bands ranging from 38 to 49 millimeters. Covering every series from 1 all the way up to 11, including SE and Ultra models. This is marketed as a dressy, fancy stainless steel metal strap for women, and it promises both elegance and durability. Right out of the box, this beaded bracelet stands out with its design. Each bead is carefully crafted and symbolizes luck, strength, and what the brand calls endless love. The bracelet features a strong jewelry clasp that attaches securely to your Apple Watch, giving the sense of a high-end piece of jewelry rather than a typical watch strap. It's available in a color called Starlight, which is a subtle, soft metallic shade that adds a sophisticated shimmer to any outfit. One of the highlights of this bracelet is its construction. It's made entirely from premium stainless steel, which makes it both durable and hypoallergenic. This means it's designed to resist fading and rusting, maintaining its polished look even with daily wear. The bracelet is about 5.5 inches in display length, but thanks to the adjustable links, it can fit a range of wrist sizes comfortably. When it comes to styling, this beaded bracelet leans heavily into fashion-forward aesthetics. It combines a classic beaded look with the sleekness of a metal watch band. Unlike standard silicone or leather bands, this one has a jewelry-inspired feel, making it suitable for formal events, dinners, or any occasion where you want your Apple Watch to look less like a tech gadget and more like a piece of accessory jewelry. It's part of collection, which focuses on bold, elegant designs for everyday wear, and it carries that signature attention to detail. Installation is straightforward. The bracelet uses a standard Apple Watch connector, so swapping it onto your watch is simple and doesn't require special tools beyond the included adjustment tool for resizing the links. This allows you to remove or add links without hassle, ensuring a perfect fit for your wrist. The overall build is sturdy, so you don't have to worry about the bracelet detaching during daily activities. In terms of versatility, this strap covers a wide range of Apple Watch sizes and series, making it a one-stop option if you're thinking about upgrading your watch's look without buying multiple bands. Its elegant metallic finish pairs well with both casual and formal outfits, offering a flexible fashion accessory that enhances your watch rather than overshadowing it. Overall, this beaded bracelet combines style, durability, and ease of use in one package. It's designed for people who want their smartwatch to double as a statement piece. Whether you're gifting it to someone special or just treating yourself, it's positioned as a dressy, elegant, and high-quality alternative to traditional watch bands. That's it for today's review here on Product Critique. If you're looking for a way to elevate your Apple Watch into a more refined accessory, this beaded bracelet is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest product breakdowns, and we'll see you in the next video.